Have you ever wondered how a vlog video skyrockets to viral status? It's no magic trick, but it does take some strategic planning and a dash of creativity. Today, we're going to break down the formula for creating a vlog that has the potential to go viral. Step 1. Identify your niche. Your vlog needs a specific focus or theme that sets it apart. Whether it's travel, cooking, tech reviews, or life hacks, find a niche that you're passionate about and that resonates with others. Step 2. Know your audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and online behaviors of your target viewers. This knowledge will guide you in creating content that they'll love and share. Step 3. Create high-quality content. This goes beyond just having a good camera. Your vlog needs to have a compelling story, engaging visuals, and a clear voice. Strive to make your content as professional and as captivating as possible. Step 4. Optimize for search. Use keywords, tags, and descriptions that reflect what people might search for. Make sure your vlog is easy to find and stands out in the sea of online content. Step 5. Promote your vlog. Share it on all your social media platforms. Collaborate with other vloggers or influencers. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for shares and likes. Finally, Step 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building an audience and increasing the chances of your vlog going viral. Stick to a regular posting schedule and keep your content fresh and relevant. So, to summarize, find a unique niche, understand your audience, create high-quality content, optimize for search, promote your vlog, and stay consistent. It's important to remember that virality isn't always predictable. It's not just about the number of views, but the impact your vlog has on its viewers. Focus on creating content that connects with people and adds value to their lives. If you follow these steps, you're well on your way to creating a vlog that has the potential to go viral. Happy vlogging!